Okay, this is just a quick video to show you firstly how to use screenshots and how to improve them. Number one, how to get a screenshot using a great little tool called Lightshot, and also how to then manipulate that screenshot and spruce it up a bit with some captions. So first of all, if you go to this web address, prntser.com, and you'll be able to download Lightshot, which is fantastic. Lightshot works on a simple principle. You just press the print screen button on your computer, which I'll do now. So for print, I press print screen, and now I can just select an area, and from here I can copy it, I can print it, I can save it as a file, etc. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy this, for example. So just go copy, and then I'm going to go down to my PowerPoint application. So I'm in PowerPoint now, and what I've done, I've cleared out everything out of the PowerPoint slide. So you can use Control-A to clear everything out and start with a blank slide. But all I'm going to do, because I've copied that image into the clipboard, I'll just now go right click, and then I'll just go paste. So there's my image, and I can resize it, whatever I want to do. But let's say I wanted to put some captions coming off it. This is a great thing about PowerPoint. It allows you to do captions and inserts and things like that, and text boxes, and it's really great. So you can grab a shape. For instance, if I grab a shape up here and just grab that shape and then double click on it, and I can type something in. You might put step 1 or something, and then I might connect that via one of these arrows. So I can just come up here now and then go down here to do something like that. So you can then sort of create these kind of captions around an image, which I reckon is really handy, and make your image look really good. So what you do, you just do what I'm doing now, and you just find a spot, and you can see it automatically connects. Now, once you've got that image, and you even do wonderful things like formatting like this. You can put sort of this around it, or these boundaries around it, these borders look quite jazzy. So you do that. So let's go with that. Now the next key to this is then you've got to select all. So I could just drag around here to select all of that, which is fine. And then all I do is press Control-C to copy it. So remember Control-C, which is a standard clipboard kind of keyboard function to copy whatever you've got selected. And then right click anywhere on the PowerPoint slide, and then see this button here, it says picture. Just go click on picture, and there's your picture. Now what I like about PowerPoint with this is that you will notice that it's a PNG picture, and also see how it's got a transparent background, which looks really good. So it's great for putting into any kind of situation. So what you do, you then just right click on that image, and then you go save as picture. So you give it a name, and I'll just call it Lightshot 1. Normally saves it as a PNG file, which is fine because they're the best for shapes and things. So there's our image. We've created an image, we've saved it to file, and then we go to the website. So you go to a website and you just click in a space, and you find a spot to put your image, and then you just go add media, then you go upload image and select a file, and then because you just saved that image from Lightshot should be there, and there it is there. So you can just click on that, save, and then open, and then as you can see it's uploading, and it's uploaded, and then down on the bottom right you'll see where it's got insert into doc, and it does give you a choice of what size. So I might just say full size, insert, and you can change that later. And there's your image that you've just created, and you can edit that image and do another size. So you might want to go a medium size image, go update, and that's all there is to it. So Lightshot is a really good feature, and using PowerPoint is really fantastic as well. So I hope you found that video helpful to make your images look wonderful. Thank you.